Welcome. In front of me is a Cubot P50, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, open up Settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, choose Advanced, Reset Options, and then select Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will bring up a message letting you know that this process removes everything that is listed right here. So if you have anything of this sort that you'd like to keep, do make a copy of it somewhere else. Otherwise, this data will be removed permanently and cannot be undone. Now, some of these things that are listed here shouldn't really matter that much, like Google accounts. It's an account, so it's just removed from the phone, but it can relog into it. Things like system and app data, again, it's usually associated with Google accounts, so once you re-download the applications that it's from, you can just regain it. And same goes for downloaded apps, just re-download them. It's all most likely on Play Store anyway. So the things that do matter are things like the user data, photos, and music. Anyway, select Erase All Data twice, and this will then begin the process, which will take about a minute to maybe 3 minutes to finish up. Once it has, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you want. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.